The world of trading is constantly evolving. Traditional algorithmic strategies, once cutting edge, now face unprecedented challenges. In the dynamic 2026 market, rapid shifts and complex interdependencies demand a new approach. Purely quantitative models often fall short. Imagine a system that not only processes numbers, but also understands context. This is where large language model, or LLM, reasoning comes in. We're merging classic technical indicators with the sophisticated analytical power of LMs to create truly adaptive trading strategies. This synergy allows for a deeper understanding of market sentiment and underlying narratives, beyond just price action. Watch as our intelligent bot executes a trade, reacting instantly to a breaking news event combined with significant price action. This isn't just automation. It's intelligent, context-aware decision-making at lightning speed, redefining market interaction. Now, let's delve into the engineering behind this intelligence layer, the core of our adaptive trading system. Our journey begins with setting up a robust Python environment, the backbone for all our advanced analytics and trading logic. We leverage current high-performance libraries, optimized for the massive data streams characteristic of the 2026 financial landscape. A critical component is the seamless connection to an advanced LM API, providing real-time linguistic intelligence. This API performs live sentiment analysis on diverse financial news, extracting crucial insights from unstructured text. It also monitors social media feeds, capturing the pulse of public opinion and emerging trends that impact markets. Effective prompt engineering is key to filtering out market noise and extracting actionable intelligence from the LLM. This meticulous process ensures we accurately identify high-probability trading signals, minimizing false positives. With our intelligence layer established, let's integrate it with robust technical strategies for a comprehensive approach. We code the core logic for essential technical indicators, forming a solid quantitative foundation for our decisions. Indicators like the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, help us gauge momentum and potential reversals in asset prices. The Exponential Moving Average, or EMA, provides insights into price trends, smoothing out fluctuations for clearer signals. These indicators, combined with our LLM insights, establish a truly robust and multifaceted quantitative framework. We then build a sophisticated decision matrix, the brain that processes all this information before any trade is considered. This matrix mandates both positive sentiment from the LLM and favorable technical data alignment for a trade to proceed. It's a dual confirmation system, ensuring that both qualitative and quantitative factors support every potential move. Only when these conditions are met does the system trigger a trade, maximizing precision and reducing risk. Crucially, we implement custom risk management parameters designed to protect capital in volatile markets. These parameters act as safeguards against sudden volatility spikes, preventing significant drawdowns. They also account for unexpected market movements, ensuring our bot remains resilient and profitable. Now, let's see this powerful system in action, with automated execution and live testing. We illustrate the seamless link between our trading script and a brokerage API, enabling instant order execution. This ultra-low latency connection is crucial for capitalizing on fleeting market opportunities. We run a live demonstration, showcasing the bot processing a continuous influx of data from various sources. Watch as it autonomously places a trade without any human intervention, based on its integrated intelligence. This is true automation, where complex decisions are made and executed with precision and speed. A real-time dashboard allows us to monitor the bot's performance and market interactions. Observe how the bot dynamically adjusts its position in response to changing market conditions. It continuously processes new data, adapting its strategy to maintain optimal performance and manage risk. The future of trading demands not just execution, but intelligent, continuous adaptation. After witnessing the live test, we analyze the results to refine the AI's logic for improved accuracy. This iterative process of learning and optimization is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. We explore strategies for scaling the bot across multiple asset classes, expanding its reach and potential. From traditional stocks to the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrencies, our bot is designed for versatility. It can adapt to different market structures and regulatory environments, maximizing opportunities. We provide a clear roadmap for maintaining and evolving the bot as AI models continue to advance. Market regulations are constantly changing, and our system is built to adapt, ensuring long-term viability. This proactive approach guarantees that our trading solution remains at the forefront of financial technology. The evolution of trading is here. Merging LLM reasoning with algorithmic trading isn't just an upgrade. It's a revolution. Join us in shaping the future of finance, where intelligence meets execution for unparalleled market performance.